Hey guys, today I'm going to be cleaning and adding some patches on my skates. So here are my skates. I got them back in August, I want to say. They're Impala skates. They're just the white ones. They came with blue laces and then these pink wheels. So pretty much what I've already done to them was I added new laces. So I just got these on Amazon. They're pretty cheap. They have a bunch of good options. And then I got these toe caps on One Stop Skate Shop, so I'll link them in the description. I think they're really cute, and I kind of wanted to go for like a pink-ish theme, so now I just think it all kind of like blends together pretty well. And then my wheels, they're just the Impala wheels that came with the skates, but what I did was I took off the logos with acetone, so just took a cotton swab and then I just wiped it down and then it came off. So now we're gonna clean these up and then I'll show you the next steps. So what you're gonna need for this project is number one, glue. So I used E6000. It's a really strong glue and I love it, but I think it would have gone better if I used a spray-on glue, just because when I was pressing down on my patch, there was a bit of residue on the outside. I mean, once it dries, you can kind of smudge it off, but up to you. I saw someone else use the spray. So the next thing, I'm gonna be using a white magic eraser. So this is perfect, especially for skates, and I have white skates, just to get scuffs off and clean it. And then I'm just gonna use a rag, so for any excess glue, and then pushing down the patch after I glue it, I'm just gonna pop this on it. And optional, I'm using scissors just because I needed to cut my patches. I live in LA and Fashion District has really cheap patches, so I just picked up a bunch of these. They're about like $1 each. You can kind of haggle with them. So I'm just gonna go through these and kind of place them on my skates to see which ones I want to use. Alright, so this is what we're working with. I kind of had these in mind and I definitely want to add these sunflowers, so let's see how that all fits. Alright, so now I'm just gonna get an idea of where I want everything to be placed and then look at the other side and see how it all turned out. Kind of liking the flower showing on the outside, but obviously it goes too long. So I think I'm just gonna cut it there and then maybe put this bow up here, but we'll see. So that seems pretty good. And then maybe I can add something up here too. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean these up. I already cleaned my skates about a week or two ago, so they're not that bad. Trust me, they've been a lot worse, especially having white skates. They get dirty really easily. So what I'm just gonna do is go over it again. I just use a magic eraser. You can honestly just get these at the dollar store, wherever, Walmart, Target. And then I wet it a bit, and now I'm just gonna go in and just wipe it down a bit. So now I'm just going in with that magic eraser and wiping everything down. Now we're gonna go ahead and trim the patch, just so that it fits on the skate the way that you want it to. Just placing it, and now I'm taking the glue and make sure that you go right along the edges, because that's the part that's gonna want to start peeling. Now patting it on. And this was honestly the best way to do it, like just squeeze it. And now I'm just gonna add that little flower, same process.
Oh my god, that was beautiful!
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun doing it, and I hope that these patches don't come off really quickly, but if they do, hey, I can just glue them back again or take it off. So yeah, if you like this video, just like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and then I'll make more in the future. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.